Welcome to Auto Ingress, the leading way in automatic entry solutions. We're the largest Australian-owned and operated manufacturer in the country, supplying high-tech chain and belt drive operators with market-leading warranties.
We want to reassure you we're working through the COVID-19 pandemic to ensure all your needs are still met. Let us know how we can help when we reach you.
We're your one-stop shop for all your pedestrian needs. We have our own dedicated research and development team, ready to help you with solutions to your entry requirements.
Are you calling to schedule a service? Don't worry, we'll be with you shortly to arrange an inspection. For more on our service assistance and warranties, just head to Auto Ingress.
We'd also like to take this moment to thank you for all your support during these difficult times. We'll continue to provide the highest level of service throughout. We'll be with you as soon as possible.
Space is always a premium, especially in retail and commercial outlets. Our cavity sliding door systems offer that much-needed high-quality solution. The units are ideal for shops and offices as it provides a safer and more functional sliding door application. For all the features and benefits, speak to a member of our team in just a moment.
Are you calling for a quote on one of our applications? Maybe you just have a question about which product is right for you? Rest assured, one of our reliable professionals will be with you shortly. Whatever your query, please don't hesitate to ask. Get your foot in the door in just a moment.
We know the pandemic is making all parts of life difficult, but we'd like to reassure you we keep the health of our staff and clients as a top priority. It's why we're adhering to all government guidelines to ensure safety. We'll be happy to answer any questions when we take your call.